Hey everybody, welcome. It's Tony Avitia with RV Simplified. We're going to be doing business as Lavish RVs. So I came to you, I wanted to kind of give you some quick tips and starts on how to start renting your RV. And you should really listen to me because I'm quite the RV expert. I've owned one for about 3 months now, 4 months. So yeah, you should listen to me because I've never owned one before ever and never even stayed in one. I do own a vacation rental company, and I did just buy my first RV 3 or 4 months ago, and I have been renting it out actually very successfully. Apparently you don't need to know about it to rent it out, so you might want to listen to me. I've never really stayed in one, but I have been renting it out. I have made money off of it. I just if I can at least share with you some of the things I've learned, that would have saved me a few $1,000s, because that would have been helpful. But I just want anybody I could give value to or help out, and then as we're growing and learning the business and bringing on people who are experts or people who have done it for a while, then we're going to start being able to help other people do it as well. That's what we do in our other business with vacation rentals and stuff. So I wanted to come to you today and just kind of give you an overview of what to expect if you wanted to rent out your RV, okay? It is a phenomenal idea, but it's not for everybody. If you don't like to put in a lot of work, or you don't want to have hassles, then do not rent out your RV, because you can make actually really good money, but it is a lot more hassles than one might imagine or one might do on a regular rental property. But there are property managers, which is kind of what I'm going to get into. There are some probably in your local area now. I don't know where you're watching this at. I'm in Las Vegas. I know there's ones already in here. Sorry for all the noise in the background, but seriously.